Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different ways that you can use aloe vera to help you with your hair growth. So if you're kind of stuck at a certain length, or your hair is at a certain plateau, or you just feel like your hair isn't growing even though your hair is growing, it's about retention length, then you can use one of these methods or 2 of these methods to help you with your hair growth. So if you're interested in this video, please stay tuned. So I went ahead and picked up 2 aloe vera leaves, and I get my aloe vera from Publix. It's in the produce section. So if you guys have a local grocery store near you, you could go ahead and check out their produce section to see if they have some aloe vera there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut the aloe vera into smaller pieces, and then I'm going to cut off the spikes that are on the ends of the aloe vera, because you know you don't want to cut yourself. And then I'm just going to take one of the chunks and like split it in half, and I'm going to use it as a pre-poo. So a pre-poo is basically just moisturizing your hair before you start the shampooing phase of your wash day routine. So now I'm going to take the jelly part of the aloe vera leaf, and I'm going to apply it to my roots and to the ends of my hair, and I'm going to do that throughout my entire head. And then I'm going to apply a shower cap over it and let it sit on my hair for about a good 30 minutes before I start my shampooing process. So after a certain point, it may seem like the aloe vera is drying out, but it really isn't. So all you gotta do is just take your fingers and just puncture a few little holes into the aloe vera leaf itself, and then as you can see, it produces more juice or jelly or whatever you want to call it, and you can continue to apply it to your hair. So option number 2 is to use the aloe vera as a leave-in moisturizer. So this is how I personally like to use my aloe vera. And what you're going to do is you're going to cut the aloe vera into smaller portions, which was in a previous clip, and then you're going to cut it in half, and then you're just going to scoop the insides of the aloe vera and put it into a container. And in this clip, as you guys can see, I'm using a spoon because in my previous video a lot of people had concerns about my knife cutting skills. Well, this is for you guys, so now y'all can be quiet. Now after I scoop out all the insides, I'm going to put it into a blender. So after I've put it in the blender, I'm just going to put it through a sifter. I think that's the name of it. If you guys know the proper name, then let me know down in the comments. And then I'm just going to separate the thick jelly part of the aloe vera from the juice, because if you just go ahead and just put this part into your hair, then the jelly is just going to get stuck in your hair, and that's a whole nother process to get all that out of your hair. So it's just easier that way to just kind of sift it and just get the juice part. And then once I do that, I'm just going to take the juice and I'm going to transfer it into a spray bottle, and I'm going to spray it into my hair. So I just got done washing and conditioning my hair. Now I'm starting the moisturizing phase of my wash day routine, and I'm just going to take that aloe vera juice and spray it into my hair. So I'm basically going to be doing the LOC method, which is leave-in, liquid, oil, and then cream. And yeah, so I'm just going to spray this into my hair, and I'm going to leave it in my hair. I'm not going to wash it out. That's the point of it being a leave-in moisturizer, because a lot of people were confused in my last video on if I washed it out when I said I was using it as a leave-in. But you know, I just want to make sure I get it through this video that is a leave-in, that I'm not going to wash it out. And then I'm going to follow up with an oil, and which is going to be option number 3, is aloe vera oil. So this is option number 3, aloe vera oil. So I don't like to waste the aloe vera plant. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that outer layer of the aloe vera plant that was left over after I scooped the insides out, and I'm going to make aloe vera oil with it. So I'm just going to grab my favorite oil, which is this sunflower and for extra virgin olive oil mixed oil, and I'm just going to put it into a pan on medium heat. And I'm going to put about, I believe this is about a cup of oil. And then I'm going to take the skin of the aloe vera plant, and I just cut it up into smaller pieces. And I'm just going to place it into the pot and let it cook for 15 minutes. So this is how the aloe vera oil looks after 15 minutes, and I also let it cool for about another 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to just transfer it into an applicator bottle so that way it's easier to apply to my hair. So I'm going to apply the aloe vera oil to my scalp as well as my hair, and this is the same day that I did apply the aloe vera juice to my hair as well. So I'm just sealing it in with the aloe vera oil. So today was my wash day, and I like to use a lighter oil on my hair after I washed it, because I do have an Ayurvedic hair growth oil, but it's kind of on the heavier side to me, so I like to use that throughout the week and not on my actual wash day. I like to use a lighter oil. So that's why I said, like, you could use, you know, 2 options, or you could use 1. It's up to you, or if you're, you know, if you're interested in using aloe vera. And those are the 3 options. So, you know, let me know which option you guys prefer to use, or if you haven't used aloe vera yet and you want to try it, let me know which method you're going to choose. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.